ಸೊ ಹಲೋ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳೇ, ಎಜುಟೆಕ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಹಾಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಚಾನಲ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೊ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳೇ, ಸಿ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ ಇಂಟ್ರಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಟು ಸಿ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮಿಂಗ್ ಏನು ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ಆ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ ವೈಸ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳೇ. ಸೊ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ನೀವೇ ರೈಸ್ ಆಗ್ತವೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಮಾಡಲ್ ವೈಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಇದ್ದಾವೆ. ಸೊ ನಿಮಗೆ ಒಂದು ಮಾಡಲ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಏನು ಒಂದು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ಸೋಲ್ಲ, ಅವು ಅಷ್ಟು ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗೆ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿ, ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ದ ಮಾಡಲ್ ವೈಸ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್. ಸೊ first question, what is a computer? Explain the characteristics of a computer. Second question, describe the various types of computer based on speed, memory and cost. Explain the various input devices. Mention various output devices and explain a hard copy device. Fifth question, explain the components of a computer with a neat diagram. Sixth question, explain the basic organization of computer. Seventh question, different programming paradigm. Eighth question, explain the SDLC life cycle for the efficient design of a program with a neat diagram. Ninth question, explain different types of errors. 10th question, explain the structure of C program in details. Write a sample program to demonstrate the components in the structure of C program. So 11th question, explain the different files used in a C program. 12th question, define a token. Explain the different tokens used in C program. So 13th question, explain how compiling and executing of a C program is done. So 14th question, 15th question, what is an identifier? Explain the various rules for forming identifier. Names classify the following: valid or invalid identifiers. So you are given as the identifiers. So 16th question, explain all the basic types of all basic data types available in C. What is a variable? What are the rules to construct the variables? Explain a print f of and scanf of function with syntax and illustrate example. Summarize the formatted input and output statements with suitable syntaxes and examples. Develop an algorithm to find the area and perimeters of a circle. Also define an algorithm. Draw a flowchart and a C program which takes an input PTR. Compute the simple interest and display the result. So WAP to swap two numbers using a temporary variables. WAP to find a mechanical energy of a particle. So 24th question, WAP to convert a kilometer to meter and centimeter. And we can go for a second model. What are operators, operand and expression? Second question, explain the following operators with illustration, programs with examples. So arithmetic operation, relational operation operator, equality operator, a logical operator, unary operator and conditional operator and bitwise operator, assignment operator, comma operator and size of operator. What is the type of conversation and type of casting? Explain with examples. With the syntax and examples, explain the conditional operator. What are a decision control statement? List and explain the different decision control statements with syntax, flowchart and example. Sixth question, write a C program using a switch for simulation of simple calculator. Seventh question, write a C program to compute the roots of quadratic equation by accepting the coefficients and also print appropriate messages. Eighth question, what are iterative statements? List and explain the different iterative statements with the syntaxes, flowchart and an example. Ninth question, write a difference between while and do while. 10th question, explain break, go to and continue statement with examples. So 11th question, Write a C program to check if the given character is in uppercase or lowercase special characteristics. Write a C program to check if the given number is positive, negative, equal to 0. Write a C program to find a factorial of a number. So 14th question, write a C program to generate a Fibonacci series. 15th question, write a C program to check if the given number is a palindrome or not. So third model, define a function, explain a function definition and function declaration with a syntax and examples. Write a C program to add two integers using a call by value method in functions. Explain the terminologies of functions. Third question, explain the difference between actual parameter and formal parameter. So fourth question, explain the passing parameters of a function using an example of swapping two numbers. Fifth question, difference between call by value and call by reference method. Sixth question, explain different scope of variables with an examples. Seventh question, explain the different storage classes with an example. Eighth question, what is a recursion? Write a C program to find factorial of a number using a recursive function. Ninth question, write a C program to find Fibonacci series with using recursive function. So 10th question, write a C program to find GCD using a recursive function. 11th question, write a program to find a component of a number using a recursive function. So program to 12th question, program to balance the given chemical equation values x, y, p, q of a simple chemical equation of a type. The task is to find the value of constants b1, b2, b3 such that the equation is balanced on both sides and it must be a reduced forms. Arrays having another part. So arrays, what is an array? Explain how 1D array are initialized and declared with an example. List the different operations done on 1D array. Write a C program to insert a number at a given location in an array. Write a C program to delete a number from a given location in an array. Write a C program to merge to unsorted array. Write a C program to implement linear search on integer. 7th question, write a C program to implement a binary search on integer. 8th question, write a C program to bubble sort on integer in ascending order. 9th question, write a C program to bubble sort in integer and descending order. 10th question, explain how to pass an individual's element on an array using a function. Explain 11th question, explain how to pass a whole array using a function. So fourth model. First question, what are 2D arrays? Explain how 2D array are initiated and declared with an example. So second question, write a C program to read and display 3x3 matrix. So third question, write a operation done on 2D array. So fourth question, write a program to transpose 3x3 matrix. Fifth question, write a C program to input 2x(n) matrix and then calculate the sum of their corresponding elements and store in the third m×x matrix. So sixth question, write a C program to input 2m×n matrices and then calculate the product of their corresponding elements and store it is in the third m×n matrix. Also validate their rules. Seventh question, write a C program to read and display 2x2 arrays. 8. List applications of an array. So strings, define strings, explain declaration initialization of a strings variables with examples. Second question, explain sprintf and scanf with example. Third question, explain with the syntax x and examples with the use of scan set functions. So fourth question, explain the string concept and way of reading and string and display the string with suitable examples. So fifth question, explain the difference between getS and scanf function. So last model, list and illustrate the use of string manipulation function. Second question, explain the characteristic manipulation function with examples. Third question, write a C program for following operations on strings without using a string manipulation functions, library functions. To find a length of a string, explain array of strings with examples. Write a functions to implementing strings operations such as a compare, concatenate and find string length. Use a parameters passing technique. So pointers, another on topic. So first question, define a pointer. Explain the declaration and initialization of a pointer with examples. List applications of pointers. Third question, WAP to compute some mean and standard deviation of all elements of an array using a pointer. Discuss the different memory areas available in C. So fifth question, write a C program to SWAP to numbers using a pointers. Structure, what is a structure and declaration of structure with examples. Second question, write a C program to read and display n student information using a structure. So third question, write a C program to implement a structure to read, write and compute average marks and the student scoring above the below and the average marks for a class of n students. So students is completed the fifth model. So most of the questions are raised in these models only, and if you compare, if you think that one model how many questions are having, we can see here. So the last model having the subtopic wise the strings having a 5 questions and pointer having an 5 questions and a structure having a 3 questions. Like this questions are rising. So guys, these questions only you can see in your external question paper. So study well guys. Thank you.